The spiciest chicken sandwich, starting with McDonald's.
Let me get the spicy chicken sandwich. It's so small. Look at my hand. Okay, I can do all this in one bite. Ready?
Baba Booey.
It's not even spicy at all. It's just salty. 1 out of 10.
Baby Papa can do better.
Can I get number 2, please? The ghost pepper sandwich. I'm pretty sure I can eat this sandwich in one bite because I had some practice, okay?
That's what she said.
It's good but not spicy. 1 out of 10. Next up, Chick-fil-A.
Bam! It look a little bit lighter than the McDonald's one. I can taste a little bit of spiciness. So is McDonald's trying to copy Chick-fil-A?
2 out of 10. What about Burger King?
Number 7, is it spicy? That thing actually looked deathly too healthy. 1 out of 10.